counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Somerset. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the South Branch Raritan River at Stanton from late tonight to Thursday evening or until the warning is canceled. At 6:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 5.8 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage after midnight tonight and continue to rise to near 8.8 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by tomorrow afternoon. Impact at 8.0 feet. Right bank and approach to bridge flooded. Somerset, New Jersey. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the North Branch Raritan from this evening to Thursday evening or until the warning is canceled. At 6:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 8.4 feet.
Great, I'm gonna get more.
Oh
my God.
Forecast, rise above flood stage tonight and continue to rise to near 11.4 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by early tomorrow afternoon. Impact at 10.0 feet, flooding along Old York Road and in North Branch Village.
Oh my God.
Counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, and Somerset. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Raritan River at Manville from late tonight to late Thursday night or until the warning is canceled. At 6:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 10.4 feet. Flood stage is 14.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage around midnight tonight and continue to rise to near 16.5 feet by early tomorrow afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by late tomorrow evening. Impact at 17.0 feet. Van Vetten Bridge and Main Street, Manville flooded as well as 5th Street in Somerville.
Oh my God. God damn. Oh my God. It's happening everywhere. We'll get that alert on 435.
Counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, and Somerset. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Raritan River at Bound Brook from late tonight to Friday afternoon or until the warning is canceled. At 6:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 24.6 feet. Flood stage is 28.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage around midnight tonight and continue to rise to near 32.
This is unbelievable.
By early tomorrow afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by Friday morning. Impact at 32.5 feet. Main Street at Greenbrook floods. Somerset, New Jersey. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Millstone River at Blackwell's Mills from Thursday morning to late Friday night or until the warning is canceled. At 6:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 4.5 feet. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast.
I'm getting nervous.
Rise above flood stage by tomorrow morning and continue to rise to near 12.7 feet by tomorrow evening. The river will fall below flood stage by Friday evening. Impact at 13.0 feet Washington Street, and several businesses are flooded.
That should be it. Okay, good.